In 1945, engineer Percy Spencer was working on radar technology for the military. One day, he stood near a magnetron, a tube that emits microwaves, and something surprising happened. He noticed the chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. Curious, he realized the microwaves from the magnetron had caused it. He started experimenting. First with popcorn, which popped instantly. Then he tried eggs, which, well, exploded. By 1947, the first microwave oven was born, but it was huge, about 6 feet tall and weighing 750 pounds. Fast forward to today, and microwaves are compact, affordable, and in almost every kitchen.